Wow. December 19th, 2020, and we've got a male cardinal and a blue jay eating at the same time. And the female cardinal's probably there and I just can't see her. My vision isn't too great. I wish I had a better camera right now. Oh, I think that's her. Is that a mourning dove? And there's a brown thrasher. We've been here too. You can always tell because all the leaves in the driveway are always scattered lately. So you always know when you've got a brown thrasher staying in your yard. State bird of Georgia, by the way, where I was born. Okay. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, well, those blue jays don't stay still for long. Yeah, there's the brown thrasher by the fig tree. I gotta clean up the garden out there. Yeah, he's hopping. Well, I don't think that's gonna come out too well, but that's all for now from Tab, Virginia.